It holds your cell phone. That is amazing. That is really awesome. Well, hello my friends, and welcome back. Today we are reviewing this power bank SA121, the Safe Fast Charge Pro. So this is, wow, this is a 10,000 mAh power bank. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you what it looks like. Plug in, and on the back here it actually says a 3-year warranty. That's the first I've seen for a power bank that I've reviewed that they're actually willing to give a 3-year warranty. You got a welcome guide. Oh, I love this already. It's so small and compact. I mean, you can fit this in your jean pocket. Wow. Let's see what else they surprise us with. Charging cable. And a carrying pouch that's breathable. So as you guys can see, it's fully breathable. That's really awesome. So this is it. That is really cool. Wow. Wow. 22.5 watt fast charge designed. As you guys can see here, hopefully you can see, it says digitally. And that actually is really nice. Let's see if you press and hold this. Power on the side. So you got 2 USB ports, and then you have a Type-C which works as an in and out port. So what that means is you can charge your device with the Type-C port, or you can charge this with the Type-C port. And they supply you with a Type-C cable. So for charging this, it's really simple. You plug it in the Type-C port, and then you plug this in to any USB port. So this gets plugged into any USB port, and you can charge this. So laptop, computer, wall outlet, any USB port, even your PlayStation, whatever you want to do to charge this, makes it really handy for easy access. I love that. It's really nice. Alright guys, I originally thought this was for cable management because this is the first time I've ever seen anything like this. But I was actually wrong. This is not for cable management. Check this out. Take your cell phone. It's a cell phone holder. So while you're charging your cell phone, it holds your cell phone. That is amazing. That is really awesome. This is really nice, my friends. Really, really nice. So watch this. We go ahead, plug this in here, take our phone, let's see where it's at, plug that in, just like that. And now it's holding our cell phone. Look at this. Look how cool that is. So obviously I'm picking it up and it's falling down because, you know, it's made for staying on the ground, but that's really awesome. That is really cool, guys. You can't get any better than that. And look at that. Smaller than our cell phone. It's obviously thicker than our cell phone, but this is nice. Absolutely love it, my friends. Works great. It's charging our phone right now. Absolutely love it.